Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu was just added to PlayStation. Prices will soon go through the roof. Today's Shib news. Shiba Inu's price dropped 23% in February, ending the breed's good start to 2023. After a short rise in the middle of February, Shib is now back in the negative zone. It looks like holders are getting ready to sell in the next few days. The amount of daily active payments by Shib holders is higher than it was before the rally in late December. In this movie, we'll talk about how Shiba Inu just gave PlayStation money. Prices will soon go through the roof. Today's Shib news. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. If you look at the difference between active deposits and active withdrawals, you can see that more users are putting their Shib into exchanges than taking it out. In the past, Shiba Inu's price has gone down when deposits have consistently been higher than withdrawals. If people who own Shib keep putting more tokens on platforms over the next few days, the meme coin is likely to have a slow start to March 2023. The steady drop in network activity is another piece of on-chain data that flashes a bearish warning. Since January 18, when it peaked at 6,000, the number of new Shib addresses has been going down, and by the end of February, it had dropped to 18. One important sign that Shib hasn't been attracting new crypto market players lately is that network growth has been going down. In March 2023, Shib needs to find new buyers in order for prices to stop going down. When it comes to price action, the spread of buyers who bought Shib around the current prices can also be seen as bad. When people around the world put and took money around the price of the block, it shows that the market thinks Shib will go down even more if it breaks below its current support at 10 cents. Around 60 cents, where 164,000 addresses bought almost 55 trillion Shib, there may be more desire. Still, the price of Shiba Inu could go up to 35 cents if it breaks above the support at 17 cents. These days, more than 99,000 addresses have been bought for more than 468 trillion Shib, which is about 17 cents each. New data on the blockchain shows that the now-defunct crypto lender Voyager is still selling its huge amounts of Shiba Inu. And report from the analytics company Kucoin on how much cryptocurrency the troubled lender currently controls has been made public. The company says that Voyager now has $5,178 billion Shib, which is worth $57,283,600. What they have now is a lot less than what they had a week ago, when they had $6,500 billion Shib worth $81 billion. As well, Voyager has kept selling a lot of Ethereum. A week ago, Voyager had $172,223 ETH worth $276 million. Now, it only has $148,774. 2 hours ago, she sold $1,449 through Wintermute and got $2.25 million USD. It costs $1,553 to sell. The company Voyager is still selling assets. It has $148,774 ETH, $233 million, $5.17 trillion Shib, worth $57 million, $1.44 million Link, $10 million, $1.17 billion SDMX, $7 million, $411,052 AVAX, $6 million. A new picture of Voyager's huge cryptocurrency wallet was also shared by Kucoin. In December, Binance.US said it would buy assets from Voyager worth more than $1 billion after FTX plans to buy them fell through. The US Securities and Exchange Commission didn't like the deal, which made the judge in charge of Voyager's bankruptcy case act quickly. Judge Michael Wills said he needs to know more about the SEC objections and why it has chosen to stop everyone in their tracks without giving any reason. Shiba Inu is now one of the coins that can be bought and sold on the BTCC exchange in London. On March 3, it was announced that Shib would be added to BTCC's exchange. This will likely give people more trade choices. By adding the Shib token, BTCC shows that big cryptocurrency trading platforms are becoming more interested in the meme coin. Binance just recently said that the Shib USD trade pair would be available. Aside from that, Well-known exchanges like Coinbase and Bitstamp now let you trade the currency. Shiba Inu's daily timeframe study showed that the current event had not changed. Instead, it kept going down, which was the same trend it had been on for 3 days. In the last 3 days, the token had lost between 1% and 6% of its value, being sold for about 11 cents. As you can see from the relative strength index line after the price drop, the asset is now in a bear trend. The RSI drop below the neutral line showed a strong Shib bear trend line. The support line was around 10 cents, but it wasn't clear how long it would last. There was trouble between 14 cents and 15 cents. Kucoin Japan, which is the Japanese branch of Kucoin, a company based in San Francisco, has announced that its cryptocurrency exchange site will now accept Shiba Inu. The exchange had already said that it would start trading Shiba Inus on February 28th in response to pleas from its users. Since its start, Shib has been listed on a number of coin exchanges, which has increased its exposure. Also, the biggest market in the US, Binance US, has added a new trading pair for Shiba Inus, which led to a rise in Shib members. The Shibarium beta release is expected to be a big deal for the project by the Shiba Inu group. Naspers says that Satoshi Kusama, who is the lead creator of Shib, has set up a new website and a way for people to start contributing to Shiba Inu. It is worth $0.12 on the market, and $176 million worth of Shiba Inus have been bought and sold in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu Shib has gone down by 1.6% in the last 24 hours. When it comes to trading platforms, TMS was one of the first. Like all platforms, it's safe, quick, and effective, giving you the best experience dealing stocks, CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and forks. Traders no longer have to deal with middlemen who slow them down. With TMS Network, you are in charge. The pre-sale stage for TMS Network is off to a great start, whose first event sold out quickly. TMS Network raised a huge $700,000 in just 2 weeks after starting their pre-sale. This month will be very exciting for people who love Shiba Inus. The Shiba Inu team has shared some interesting new information about Shib the Metaverse. A text from not long ago said that Shib the Metaverse would be starting soon. People who love Shiba Inus are excited about the news. It was also said that there would be a huge party for the launch since the Metaverse will be shown for the first time at SXSW. Shiba Inu and Departure Lounge are having a Metaverse happy hour. For those who want to join, the event can happen on March 11 from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. CT. The event will help wrap up press day and mark the beginning of the SXSW interactive track. At SXSW, the Metaverse showed up for the first time with Shib the Metaverse. There will be a party at our house. You are welcome to join Shiba Inu and Departure Lounge for happy hour to end press day and start the interactive track at SXSW. South by Southwest is sometimes written as SXSW or just South by. It's a collection of fun things that happen every year, like music festivals, conferences,